John, Mills CNC have an excellent reputation for service and servicing of machine tools. Now, most machine tool companies tend to have one department when it comes to service, but you guys are different here at Mills. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yes, we're different in the fact that we have, 4 years ago, we set up our own servicing division.
Of which you head up.
I head that division up, yep. And we set that up solely to ensure the customers receive servicing at a level that we require for the machine tools. So 4 years ago we set up our own division. We currently have 6 servicing engineers full-time dedicated to servicing, with the intention to expand further in 2017.
And when we talk about servicing, we're talking about machines that are on site at customers' facilities.
Yes.
Service contracts.
Yeah, I mean the servicing department, we mainly sell our servicing through contract scheme. That can be a 12-month contract or longer. Standard contracts, premium contracts, customised to suit customers' requirements depending on production time on the machine. Along with the contract, we sell a service kit, so the correct parts are sent to site before the visit, which is always important. And once we've got a contract customer on board, he then has benefits like discounts on spare parts, 15% off parts, and a discount on the engineer's labour rates. So over that 12-month period, if the customer needs an engineer in to look at a problem on the machine that's possibly out of warranty and chargeable, our hourly rates are reduced for contract customers.
Okay, now we mentioned at the start of this about the split between service and servicing. We're focusing all about servicing today and,
yes.
and what you do. Have you seen, since you set this company up or set this side of the business up, a benefit to the user? What's been the
definitely
advantage?
There's been a big uptake on contract sales, and what we can do for a customer with a contract is obviously we do a monthly payment scheme, so the financial aspect sorted by us, and where we sort out the scheduling of the service. We ensure that the customer's aware of the oil requirements for the machine, for the visit. The service kit is sent ahead of the visit, and then on the day that we booked, without fail, we turn up with the engineer prepped and ready to go and service the machine. What that does really for the customer is it enhances the efficiency, reliability of the machine, and the feedback from the customers are over small faults that can develop into big faults and cause downtime or inaccuracies. Those really are a thing of the past when it comes to contract customers. Yeah.
It's minimising downtime,
isn't it? It is indeed, yeah.
And you offer standard and premium. Tell us a little bit about the difference in the two.
Well, essentially, they are a premium contract is the same as a standard contract, but you get 2 visits a year. So customers operating their machinery, extended periods, night shifts, weekend shifts, we obviously advise they go for the premium. So anything more than 3,000 to 4,000 hours per year, they go on the premium contract and have the service kits provided with the contract. Yeah.
Okay, now you've had a reputation, Mills has had a reputation for many years of offering outstanding service and support.
Yes.
Has this just enhanced that since you've set up this servicing?
I think so, definitely. One of the issues has always been, whether it be Mills or any other agent, is making sure that we're there on the day that we say we're going to be there to service the machine. A lot of customers get very irate when we call to say basically their scheduled service isn't going to occur on the day they booked because they may have given holiday off to their staff and they're all ready to, with their production requirements, they're ready for that visit. So yeah, we've definitely enhanced the reliability of the service and the quality of the service, of course. We're now looking after that through a check sheet system. So the engineer works to a check sheet specific to that machine. Part of the service is checking alignments, in some cases correcting alignments on the same day's visit. And then after the service, post-service, we have the paperwork come into the office, we read through it. If there are any issues with the machine, faults, parts required, we then go back to the customer through a follow-up letter and explain the key issues that we found that we think need addressing, with part numbers, prices, and then we invite them to contact us to book that work in, revisit work really.
And you've got a team of 6 dedicated individuals
Yeah,
within...
currently at the moment in time we've got 6, and next year we plan to have 8 engineers. That's full-time servicing engineers.
And it's interesting because often when an engineer buys a machine tool, one of the things he looks at on the face of it is the machine. Sometimes he doesn't go into the detail about what's going to happen in 2 years' time, when I need to maintain this machine, when I need an engineer. And this is where you fit, isn't it?
It is indeed. I think more and more customers are realising they buy the machine tool, a Doosan, but they need the full package after sale, post-sale, to keep that machine productive, efficient for years to come. And obviously, just like buying a car, you have to look after it. No different with a machine tool, has to be serviced. We provide a logbook, a service history logbook that we put in the cabinet with a memory backup stick, and those are updated every visit, so you can build up a history on the servicing. And this obviously works alongside the warranty scheme, so it just enhances it really.
If you weren't making a success of what you were doing,
yeah,
you wouldn't still be selling so many Doosans, would you?
No, I believe our sales team would definitely say
you're contributing.
The machine, they may sell the first machine, but the after sales sells machines thereafter. And most of our customers are multi-machine users.
And we've got to finish this, John, by asking you about what we've got behind us here. What does this mean?
That, in essence, quite simply means if you keep your Doosan happy, you keep your customer happy.
And they keep coming back for more?
They keep coming back for more, yes.
Brilliant. Thank you, John.
Thank you.